under orders, and away they go for the Kingfisher Ultra Indian Derby 2020, off to even dispatch from the gates, and a cheer goes up as the public rages out, and as they settle down, Consigliere taking it up there from Wizard of Stocks. Warhammer comes in next to Wales, Supremo. Upon the outside there is Sultan Suleiman, then there is on the inside is Thailand there, then comes Trafalgar, then there is Northern Alliance followed by Juliet. Victorious Sermon comes in next on the outside, Juliet, then there is or the Lightning Bolt on the outside, well connected. Trafalgar comes in next, Daddy Sprite top notch and well connected in the rear as they go past the mile marker. Consigliere the leader by about 3.5 to 4 in front of Wizard of Stocks, Warhammer there. Then there is Royal Crystal on the inside rails, followed by Southern Ruler upon the outside, Thailand. Then there's Northern Alliance, Sultan Suleiman together, Trafalgar as they go past the 14. Then there is Sir Supremo, Victorious Sermon as they pass the 1400 meter marker. On the outside is Zimbabwe, Juliet comes in next. Then there is Supremo, and bring up the rear now is Sir Supremo as they go past the 12.
With 2 quarters remaining in this Kingfisher Ultra Indian Derby, Consigliere and P. Trevor bowling along in front, 3.5 lengths ahead of Visit of Talk and Le Roche in second. Another 2.5 lengths behind is Royal Crystal, the Golconda Derby winner in third. Length and a half behind is Warhammer, bang there in fourth spot, 7 of 7, including the Bangalore Derby with Sudan Nadi supporting the red and black. Length and a half behind is Thailand in the white cap in the center. Sir Supremo, the South India Derby winner, is on the outside as they pass the 800. Towards the inside is the Arazan bred Sultan Suleiman. After that there is Trafalgar, the Calcutta Derby winner, impovered wide of the track in the blue and yellow. After that is True Whale with Nicky Mackay sporting the blue and yellow. The Indian 2000 Guineas winner as the head turns for home. Round the turn and into the straight, Wizard of Stocks comes in on first. Moving up nicely in the center there, Warhammer. In third, Royal Crystal. After that there, Southern Ruler, the Mysore Derby winner, rallying on the far side. But it is Warhammer on the outside, has gone to the front. Lead by more than 2.5, 3 lengths ahead of Wizard of Talk. The rest are far away. Warhammer leads by more than 3 lengths. As the perfection of an equine form, a page of history will be returned. Warhammer, 8 of 8, including the Indian Derby from True Whale. After that is Visit of Talk. Then we got Juliet, Royal Crystal, and Daddy's Pride.
Superb. क्या घोड़ा है